Hi guys, it's Alex with the Big Pixel. Today we'll be reviewing the iconic K65 Rgb 10 keyless keyboard from Corsair. So let's start off with some facts. The K65 is the latest addition to Corsair range of keyboards, priced at about £110. It marks an entry point to the Corsair range of RGB keyboards, joining the K70 and the K95, which are priced from £155 to £179. By doing away with the 10 keys, the K65 measures in about 35.5 centimeters, giving you more space for placing your mouse mat and for the operation of your mouse. If you're constantly entering numbers into the spreadsheet, you're unlikely to thank Corsair for ditching the 10 keys. However, at the end of the day, this is a gaming keyboard, and the K70 and the K95 both offer 10 keys if you just can't live without. Finishing the K65 in a beautiful black anodized brushed aluminium is a masterstroke that really makes Corsair keyboards stand out, whilst having a lovely premium touch that isn't often found on its rivals. Naturally, this aircraft grade aluminium, so rest assured if you're ever caught short of materials during your latest aerospace endeavours, simply chop this keyboard down. Not that you'll want to, however, because there's 16.8 million backlight colours available per key on the K65, and it simply looks stunning in action. This is largely to do with the Corsair Utility Engine, or the CUE software that allows you to set up the sophisticated lighting effects that define RGB keyboards. The Corsair themselves describe this as an easy to set up. However, other things are easy to set up than the CUE software, including learning Mandarin or an accountancy degree. Luckily, help is at hand with full tutorials and support from Corsair themselves if you want to persist in setting up the lighting effects yourself, or you can simply download existing setups from other users for instant results. As for the keys themselves, well, this is a fully mechanical keyboard utilising Cherry MX red switches originating from Germany. These are based on the popular Cherry MX black keys, both being linear switches without any added feedback for clicking sounds. The main difference between them, no points for guessing the colour by the way, is the actuation force of the black switches being rated at 60 cn, while the red switches are slightly lighter at 45 cn. The idea behind this being the red switches are specifically designed for use with gaming keyboards, with lightweight allowing for more rapid actuation. If this all sounds a bit too technical for your taste, simply try using the K65 keyboard against one of its competitors from Razer, who are prone to using cheaper Chinese-made Kale switches. These simply do not feel anywhere near as pleasant to use as a Cherry MX switch. I'd even go so far to say Kale switches don't feel like a truly mechanical keyboard in comparison. Overall, the K65 makes Corsair's RGB keyboards more accessible than ever, with a competitive price compared to its counterparts, while still making use of many features seen in Corsair's more expensive keyboards. This, as well as an exemplary build quality and a feel of a keyboard that makes for a very compelling proposition indeed.